We are on the backside of our beautiful library. It's the staff quarter area of BTU. We have nice book collections, journals, lots of digital sources. It's a nice architectural building with lots of resources. And we will watch another video about the library itself. But today it's about the campus tour, so we will see what's around. Next, we have our administrative building. It's called the Hauptgebäude in German. The word translates to main building. Any kind of administrative work, student services, international office, finances, for everything, students come here. And the staff here are really nice and helpful. You get any information about the university from this building. On my right, we have our auditorium building. It's called the Central Lecture Hall, or Audi Max in German, and it's next to the main building we have just seen, and we have our under construction Mensa on the other side. Mensa is the cafeteria, and we'll see the interim Mensa next when we walk through this road. And we have our faculty buildings here. It's from Faculty 1, the IT building, the black dark building where probably the IT students do dark stuff. We never know. We are behind our IT dark building. Here on my left, there are other faculty buildings from the IT department, Faculty 1, and then comes Faculty 2 and 3 for electrical and mechanical engineering students. We're walking towards the sports hall. That's a very important place for all our active students who loves to do different indoor and outdoor sports and different activities. We have courses starting from yoga to different climbing activities, volleyball, football, cricket, different dancing forms, bachata, salsa. You can play any kinds of sports indoor here by doing some registration. And then you can also do some outdoor activities when it's warm enough. We have a big playground behind this sports hall. We will walk through that way. Next to the playground, we have our interim Mensa here. Mensa means cafeteria or canteen. You can come here for breakfast or lunch or for small snacks. We also have a coffee bar inside the Mensa, and you can get warm meals, snacks, desserts, and also sweet dishes until the main Mensa opens again. We have to survive here for our meals. And the Mensa that's under construction, it's a really big building with a big campus area. Unfortunately, that's not available until next year, maybe, I don't know the exact date. In front of me, we have Faculty 3, Faculty for Electrical and Mechanical Engineers. On my right side, we see some charging stations. These are part of research projects from Faculty 3. If you are a student of BTU or a professor or a staff member, you can register for the charging points and charge your car here. We have other charging points. If you go behind that way, there are so many of them. On my left side, we have Faculty 6 area. We have several buildings of Faculty 6, the Faculty for Architecture and Civil Engineering. And we will go towards that way to see some other points of Faculty 6. On my left side, the whole area belongs to Faculty 3. On my right side, we have a place called Lehmbau. Lehm literally means clay and Bau means building. Here, students are building up things from the scratch. 5 years ago, this place literally used to be empty. And every year, every semester, students are building up this place little by little. We will see what's here. On my right side, we have a place. It's a bar. This place is used for partying and grilling and some other student activities. Well, there is a party. We have a bar here, and then students work as barkeepers, and other students can get drinks from here for really cheap price. Here we can see a broken car. It's not a broken car. It's a car that is being built up by the students since last 3-4 years. This place is a dance floor. When there's a party, we dance here. On the front, that area is used for the DJ to play some music, techno mostly, as we are in Germany. So we can use this place for partying and grilling when we can. When it's summer, now it's not a good time because it's getting cold. But here, students can sit around, discuss about some things, plan for the parties. This is a nice place to hang out. We also do sometimes some dance practices on this platform and also do some musical, instrumental practices here around this area. So this is a beautiful place built by Faculty 6 students. On my left side, the whole area belongs to Faculty 3. We have lab buildings and lecture buildings from Faculty 3, the Faculty for Electrical and Mechanical Engineering. And we have a small table tennis court here, so students can sit here in between the lectures, play table tennis when it's not that cold. On my left side, it's University Guest House. Students can stay here for short term or long term. Any visitors or guests can stay here. On my right side, it's T1 Campus Cottbus. It's a private dorm area. Students who don't get an accommodation in Senftenberg area, they can stay here. It's very close by. And this road takes us towards North Campus. It's another campus of BTU. This area is basically the end side of our central campus. We have 4 campuses. We will see videos about other campuses, maybe in other videos. This is a beautiful way taking us towards the North Campus.